Let me ask you a question. How many of you here believe you can become a millionaire while still earning a salary? Raise your hands, be honest. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. My salary is too small. I can barely pay bills. But let me tell you something powerful today. Your salary is not the problem. It's how you use it that determines your future. And today, I'm going to give you 10 powerful, straightforward ways to become a millionaire as a salary earner. Are you ready? First, save like your life depends on it. Most people get paid and spend everything. That's why they work for 20 years with nothing to show. But millionaires? They pay themselves first. Even if it's just 20% of your income, lock it away. Don't touch it. Because what you keep, not what you earn, is what builds wealth. Say it with me. What I keep makes me rich. Number 2, stop living at your salary level. The moment people get a raise, they upgrade their car, move into a bigger house, or start buying things they don't need. That's why they stay broke. If you want to be rich, live below your means. That gap between your income and your expenses, that's where wealth is born. 3, invest, invest, invest. Don't just save, grow your money. Stocks, real estate, mutual funds, businesses, whatever you understand, put your money there. And start early, because compound interest is a miracle. The earlier you begin, the more your money multiplies. Remember, your salary should work for you, not just you working for it. Number 4, never depend on just one paycheck. Your salary is your foundation, but your side hustles are your wings. Use your skills, your talents, your knowledge, consult, freelance, start an online business, buy and sell, create content. When one stream dries up, another should still be flowing. Repeat after me. One income is too risky. Number 5, kill debt before it kills your dream. Debt makes the banks rich, not you. Stop borrowing for flashy phones, unnecessary cars, and weekend parties. If you must borrow, let it be for assets that grow in value, not liabilities that sink you. Debt is a chain. Break it if you want to run free. 6, upgrade yourself. Your salary is tied to the value you bring. If you stay the same, your pay stays the same. But when you improve your skills, your value goes up, and so does your income. Read books, take courses, attend seminars, learn new tools. The more you grow, the more your paycheck grows. 7, your network is your net worth. Opportunities don't usually come from strangers. They come from people who know you, like you, and trust you. Don't just work, connect. Build relationships with mentors, colleagues, and people in other industries. Sometimes the right connection is worth more than 10 years of hard labor. 8, treat your salary like seed, not harvest. A farmer never eats all his seed because if he does, there's no harvest tomorrow. Every month, take part of your salary and plant it into investments, businesses, skills. Millionaires think long-term. They don't eat today what they'll need tomorrow. 9, practice the power of patience. Everybody wants the new car, the new iPhone, the fancy vacation right now. But if you can delay your gratification, you can enjoy abundance later. While your friends are chasing luxury, you are building wealth. And when they are struggling in their 40s, you'll be cruising in freedom. Can I get an amen? And finally, number 10, have a clear millionaire mindset. Don't just wish for it, plan for it. Write it down. In 10 years, I will be a millionaire. Track your progress. Every paycheck becomes a brick in your mansion of wealth. Without a plan, money slips through your fingers. With a plan, every dollar has a mission. If you can, then go out there and start building your millions today.